Ni hao and aloha. My name is Taffy and I'm from Hong Kong. My major is communication, so it's really interesting that I take this class as my minor. Um, I think that's one really important thing for effective communication. That is, both of you guys need to be on the same page. I have experience when I was working in a Keilakai, the school magazine. The editor has a little assignment for me, which is to make a graphic for that specific article. So he told me really clearly what his vision, like what he wants for the graphic, and I make based on his requirement. And when I have some problem and I have something not clear, I go back and ask him. So to make sure that both of us are on the same page, and it turned out really good. So I think it's really important for both parties to know what they're looking for, and that is effective communication. There's two things special about me. The first thing is I take pictures, especially for project. I have been doing project for a while, and I try to make it become a small business. So I have been working on that, and I'm really excited. The second thing is, I don't really have like a specific type of music that I like, but when I want to be focused, I just have one song as I keep looping it. Then that can help me to stay focused. And yeah, so that's me. Nice to meet you guys. I hope that I can know you more during this semester. Thank you.